Hello, my name is Tiffany Patterson. I'm in PvP4 and this is my take on Dazel. I created an NPC player named Luna. She is a moth and she's very colorful to me. So this is what I've got. My player moves towards her and Luna spots me and will follow me until she gets out of sight. She will patrol until she can find me again. I have two codes on her. One is to patrol and one is to detect. The script for patrol is pretty simple and easy, and so is the enemy detect script. The scripts remind me so much of the script I did in PvP3 where I created a turret, and the turret would look for the player, and then if the player is detected, it will shoot it. It is so simple. This is a breakdown of Luna. She is, like I said, colorful. She's purple with black and orange on her. She will patrol and move. She's located in the Dark World, and she's a mini boss in the dungeon. Her speed is very simple, it's 3, and her health is 13. She actually has 3 beams that will shoot off, and she also can move the floor and move objects when fighting. I quite have not got her to do that yet. So far she can only patrol and move. And I also have to add help to the NPC and to the player, but I've got the character movement. I have the type movement on the NPC. The NPC can scan, as you can see. The NPC will roam around the level until the NPC spots the player. The NPC will pause and idle for 3 seconds, and then if the player is not in the line of sight, it will move again. If it detects it, it will follow the player. And also I added the mash, and also created, as you can see in the script, that I created the arrays and the raycast. I hope you've enjoyed and have a nice day.